Hey y'all, we're back. Rachel is here.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hi Rachel back.
And today we're gonna take you on a tour of some condos under construction. Rachel, where are we? What are we doing?
Today I'm very exciting guys to show you. Now we are at Global Top Group Development, which is very famous in Pattaya because they had experience 40 years already in Europe.
Wow.
Yes, for real estate.
So very
developing.
experienced builder.
Yes, for Pattaya and Thailand, 20 years already.
Great. All right. And what development are we at? They have several in town, right?
Yes, for Pattaya project, they have already, actually they have 9 projects, but 7 project is already moved in, mean finishing, and 2 project is under construction and will finish in 2028.
Okay. And today we're at one that's under construction. We are at Marina Golden Bay. So we're
Yes.
gonna show you the plan and we're gonna show you the model rooms. Ready?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, let's go.
I have. So with the land 15 right for our project, so around 24,000 square meters.
Wow, so big
Yes,
development, a
quite
lot of
big.
land around it.
Yes, and also we have many facility in our project. You can see, you can say like this is new city for your life, your family, because you have tennis court, basketball, and special is the person who like golf. We have one golf court and this one.
Yeah, you don't have to pay to go golfing. You can just go downstairs.
Yes, and also you can see the downstairs 2-story. We design for commercial area like shop, salon, clinic, nail shop, or even office space, and it means everything can have the answer for your family life or real life. And also we have the parking start from 3rd floor until the 5th floor parking. With the unit total is 704.
704 per building, so not a lot of units, which means
Compared
not
with
a
the
lot
land.
of crowded. 4 elevators per building that are going to be
Yes.
high-speed elevators, so no standing around waiting for the elevator with big crowds and not enough room for people to go upstairs to their rooms.
And also for the residential area start from 6th floor.
Great.
It means the building area around is not block your unit, because mostly the building here is like 3 or 4 high only.
Right. All right. Well, let's go look at the rooms.
Yes, let's go.
All right. Let's take a look at the 1-bedroom showroom.
Yeah, let's go and have a look. This unit we start with 30 square meters with 1 bedroom with fully furnished and electric appliance.
Yeah, nice and bright. So it comes fully furnished, comes with the microwave, the full-size refrigerator there, 2-burner cooktop, all of the furniture. I like the colors.
It's warm, very warm, and also very big with balcony. And
Yeah. Now it's going to have, a nice sized balcony to sit on. Of course, we're looking at a construction wall here, and like you mentioned outside, this room would be on at least the 6th floor. So there wouldn't be any obstruction. The 6th floor is higher than all of the surrounding buildings, so you wouldn't be looking at the wall of another building no matter what room you pick here. A nice bedroom.
I love the built-in design. I feel like it's all inch can usable.
And big closet over there.
Yes.
Storage space on top too.
You see, or the built-in have the lock, have the usage even here. You see, I love here. You see?
Oh, and even storage under the bed too.
Yes.
A lot of storage space in here.
All corner
Corner plug-ins with the LEDs there in the headboard. Very nice. All right. Let's take a look at the bathroom.
Bathroom very large also, special at the shower area.
Yeah, nice that it's all glass enclosure, and you can see you step down there, so wet area, dry area. Nice size room.
And
So-
this separate. This is a unique design, like unique
Very
style.
cool way to close that off.
Yes. But if you don't like this style, you can mention and we will make your door design your own. If you said, hey, this is not my style, no worry. Yeah, we can,
They can change
for
the door
you.
for you.
Yes.
And I know you guys like to ask about washing machines. There's not one here in the model, but they will install washing machine connection
Yes.
on the balcony for you
the real,
in the actual building.
real unit.
Great little room, Rachel, 30 square meters. What's the price?
We start with $299. Very special for our subscriber and our follower, with all fully furnished, electrical appliances, and even bed set.
Even the bed, everything comes with it. And that's a queen size
we
bed.
give you.
Everything there. Now, not the decorations, but you can bring your own decorations, but all of the furniture that
Just
you
move
see,
in and with only bag.
ready to go. All right, 30 square meters, 2.99 million to buy. And they have, if you want to buy as an investment, or if you want to come part-time, like the new visas when they come out, 6 months, 6 months. If you want to come 6 months, go 6 months. They have a rental
Short-term.
service too.
Yes, the service for you. We start short-term management like 1 month.
All right,
Yes.
so let's go check out the 2-bedroom.
Yeah.
So there's the 2-bedroom floor plan, and this is essentially 2 1-bedrooms squished together, so 60 square meters. Well, let's go
So
look.
welcome to 2-bedroom. We feel like it's home.
It does feel very homey. Nice, nice little dining area over there, sitting area
I
here.
really like the color.
2
Feel-
sofas. I like the little divider here with the shelves. And that is dividing off the really big kitchen.
This is have our washing machine.
Washing machine inside here,
Built-in
microwave, full-size refrigerator, even has an oven
Yes.
and a four-burner cooktop.
Burger time. You see? Oh, good
Great.
quality, man. Very good quality.
Nice range hood, all tile backsplash.
All fitted, you see?
Yeah,
All
lots of
design.
cabinet storage there.
This is like special design, only like the set. Soft cross.
Oh, soft closing cabinets too. 2 balconies. There's a little balcony
Yes.
out here, so you could hang your clothes to dry out there, and keep the second balcony as a cute little sitting area to hang out, enjoy with without your clothes hanging all over you. Let's look at the second bedroom, which is the other bedroom in the 1-bedroom, just like we saw. So if it looks familiar, same layout, same
Same
setup.
layout, just bigger and 2-bedroom.
Right. So this would be the spare, or the second bedroom. Bathroom off of main living area. Let's head over to the master. Let's see what it looks like. Now this has an ensuite bathroom, so 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
2 balcony?
2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 balcony.
2.
You get 2 of everything here. Very nice.
Very comfortable bed.
Yeah. Again, same setup, just reversed. I like the full-length mirror here. And then the ensuite bathroom for the master. It's just a little different layout. Still wet and dry area. think the tile in there is a little different if I remember right, but very nice sink vanity in there. All right, Rachel, so this one is 60 square meters.
Yes.
And what is the price?
The price is 6.3
6.3.
because we have higher unit left. For the low floor is already gone.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. So it's a little higher. As you go up in floors, pretty much like every other condo development, you go higher on the floor, you go higher on the price. And the low floor 2 bedrooms have already sold out. So
Yes. And also for the water and electric is the government rate. Both of it's different from other condo also. This is
yeah,
government
so
rate.
they're not making any money on the
Yes.
electricity and water here. All right, let's go look at there's a bigger end unit 1 bedroom. Let's go check
This
it
is
out.
the corner.
There's the floor plan for you. And this one
40
is
square meter.
40 square meters on
And
the end
corner.
unit, corner
And
unit.
corner.
So there's only 2 of these on every floor in the building, so limited
2.
supply. But right away, you can see how much more open the living area is
More
and the kitchen
space
area.
Bigger. And they have very long balcony outside.
Oh, okay.
So you can take view Pattaya City and Jomtien Beach.
So it has
2
city
view.
view and beach view.
Yes.
Because it'll be an end unit, and
Or a
then
unit.
washing machine would go on the end out there. And again, these would be 6 floors and higher,
2,
so
3,
none of the
4,
buildings around would block your view.
1, 2, 3, 4. Only 5 is mean the first residential area is over there.
Way up there.
Higher than other building in this area, but because mostly building and in this area is only 4.
4, yeah. All right, bedroom's a little more, well, at least it looks like it, feels like it, a little more open. And again, comes fully furnished, everything except the decorations.
As we mentioned, the Thepprasit area is very easy to access to any places in this area. You can go to Jomtien Beach only like 5 minutes. Also have baht bus, and you have baht bus to the walking street at Thepprasit Road.
Yeah, you're right in the middle of everything here.
Yes, have
but
the market.
far enough away, it's still quiet.
Yes, and the market, Thepprasit Market opposite here.
Oh, right, yep.
Yes.
Check the bathroom here. Same setup. Just more space in the living area. Very cute though.
And for this project, actually, as we mentioned, they also have a rental management company also itself. So when the customer buy the property here, the project developer also manage for you.
Yeah, and they don't charge as much as other places for
Only
that.
10%.
Yeah, their fee's only 10% of the rental income that you generate. And they'll also, as part of that management, they can set you up with maid service and everything. So turning over the unit for your next rental can all be seamless, almost passive income.
Yes.
Nice rooms.
Yes, the room is
Yeah.
very nice because I love the color. I love brown, soft brown.
Yeah, it's very nice rooms, very well decorated. And of course, like we said, they come fully furnished. So everything that you saw in those rooms, you would get. And great location, can't beat it, Thepprasit Rd, plus all the facilities that are going to be built in.
Yes.
Yeah, so as always, my email is in the description at the bottom of the description section of every video. If you are interested in this property and want to talk to Rachel about it, shoot me an email and I'll get you in touch. All right, I'll see you in the next one.